Introducing the Hyundai 3000-watt 3-in-1 leaf blower, vacuum and shredder. The best way to keep your garden looking smart this summer. Blow stray leaves off the patio, vacuum petals and debris from your paths, and shred it all into mulch in seconds, ready for the bin or compost. The powerful 3000-watt motor does the heavy lifting, while 6-speed settings give you complete control, from delicate work to tougher jobs. A 12-meter cable keeps you moving without unplugging, and the 45-litre collection bag means fewer stops and more action. With an adjustable telescopic chute, the HYBV3000E2 works to your size. It also comes with an extendable rake head, perfect for loosening stubborn moss and clippings. Lightweight, easy to use, from first leaf to final cut, this one's got you covered. Order the HYBV3000E2 today and keep your garden leaf-free this summer.